The Kangaroo Doorbell, camera, and chime. Do they work? We'll find out soon. The Kangaroo Doorbell. Down here you'll see a light that comes on at night when people go to come in the garage or leave. That light will come on and let everybody know they're being recorded. And this Kangaroo also is closest to the Wi-Fi, so it stays connected all the time until you have to change the batteries. And there's the rear chime for the back door video doorbell. Sorry about the noise, but this is the front door, which is furthest from the Wi-Fi and constantly has to be reconnected. Even though there is a mesh system in the house that is whole home, and just inside, over in that table, is where the mesh receiver is. But this will not stay connected. Now there's the mesh Wi-Fi I was talking about outside. And there's the front door, but the Kangaroo won't stay connected. And here is the front doorbell chime, which has two settings, low and low, on both of the two different chimes that it comes with. So you can't hear the chimes hardly at all. Well, do I really think that the Kangaroo video doorbell is a winner? It's for you to decide. Me, not for me, and it's just my opinion. The chime is too low on volume, and you can't adjust the volume chime on either of the two settings. One doorbell, like I said in the video, doesn't even come close to staying connected all the time. It's just one of those things that for 20 bucks, kind of like you get what you pay for. That's all for this video. Bye.